If you ordered the wrong size or color from H&M, don't worry, you can easily request a exchange right from the app or from the websites. This process lets you swap your item without having to make a brand new order. So here's how it works. Open the H&M app and go to My Account and Orders. Find the order that contains the item you wish to exchange and tap View Order Details. Then select Return or Exchange items. From there, choose the specific item and select Exchange instead of Return. Pick your preferred size or color from the available options. If the new item is in stock, H&M will reserve it while you prepare the old one for return. And then next, you'll see a return label or QR code. Print it or show it at your local drop-off point, depending on your region's return process. Once H&M reserves your original item, they'll ship the replacement automatically. And that's how you exchange an item on H&M. Quick, convenient, and completely hassle-free. If this helped, leave a like and check out our other videos about H&M.